Hello, traders. Thank you so much for joining us into today's session. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for almost 4 years now, and what I do with my live streams, especially my YouTube page, I share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action, and I also give you guys any trading opportunities that I personally believe in and am anticipating to take on the day. So if you guys have not subscribed to the channel, if you guys are new, hello, thank you so much for joining. Please do consider subscribing to the channel as we do these live streams every day from Monday to Friday, but I'll try my best lah. And also I would appreciate if you guys could give me a like on this video, which would really help my YouTube page grow so much and thrive here on YouTube and potentially reach out to a lot more traders that is genuinely interested into learning trading and especially understanding price action. So I believe the things that we speak about here will be able to help them in some way possible. So your like will actually do that for me lah, and also for them. So thank you so much. So if that sounds interesting, guys, please sit back, relax. Let's get right into today's session. Okay, so we're starting off today with ETH. Apologies for my background is a bit different. I'm actually at a cafe today. I just had a class. Guys. So that's why I just wanted to make sure I settle the live stream. Today is the last live stream of this week, so we cannot miss it. Okay, guys. So I just want to give you guys an update about Solana. So Solana yesterday, if you guys remember, we were trending around this level here. Okay, and I told you guys I don't really have to enter any potential opportunities because we are already very close by the liquidity range, guys. It doesn't make sense for us to really enter without. Maybe I can put my microphone here. Okay, I don't have to hold it. Okay, wait, hold on. I think you guys can hear me right now. Okay, I think now you guys can hear me. Hello, thank you so much for joining the live stream. If you can't hear me, just let me know. For now, I see it's green now. So I don't know 90% of what I said just now. You all heard or not? Okay, I think you guys can hear me now. If cannot, means please let me know. Okay. Okay, so getting back into the charts, so if you guys were focusing on any buying opportunities for Solana as what we anticipated for a buying opportunity, congratulations guys. The trade actually paid out very beautifully. I personally did not enter Solana. Again, if you guys watched live stream last week, sorry, yesterday and the week before, yesterday and the day before. Okay, you guys will know I was already invested in ETH. The trade went beautifully well. Guess what happened also, by the way? All of our TP targets has been taken out. So if you guys entered buying opportunities for ETH, congratulations to you as well. I got out of the trade early. Okay, this was my exit when I saw the price was actually moving up already. I got enough. What I mean by enough is ETH was moving in a sideways momentum for the longest time, and I really had enough already. I was very bored to hold on. And why bored? I already mentioned this yesterday, guys. I do not mean bored in the sense that uh, trading is very boring or anything like that. I love trading. Boring in the sense that I cannot enter any other trading opportunities in the crypto space because that's how I trade. If I enter a certain pair, very rarely I will enter another one until that pair hits TP or SR. That's just the way how I trade. I shared a lot more about this in yesterday's live stream, especially some advice. So if you guys are interested to find out what those advice are, you can watch yesterday's live stream. Feel free to do so. So I got out now of the trades here in hopes that I'll be able to find a trading opportunity for BTC because I was anticipating for BTC to actually move towards the downside, and I will share that with you guys right now. But again, congrats if you guys entered for ETH. Okay, so this was a zone I was waiting for selling opportunity. It didn't play out, guys. Okay, so we saw BTC actually continue making a move towards the upside. Yesterday, I didn't focus on the market much because of this. You can see market really didn't show much of a momentum or interest to move towards the upside or towards the downside. Hence, I totally forgot about BTC. Never really cared much about it. Eh, to be honest, it's a good reason lah, because market moved all the way towards the upside. This is why, guys. This is why we do not. enter trades just because it goes inside of a zone. Please don't do this. This is trading blind. Zones are a valid thing, okay? Especially if we can identify them very well also, it does not matter. Only thing that matters is reaction. How will price react when it comes into that zone? That is everything in trading. If, for example, right, if you draw an order block, okay, order block from what we understand is when price goes to it, either order block in demand or supply, it does not matter. But what is the reaction, the outcome? Is supposed to really push price towards the upside or the downside, depending on where the order block is placed. But what if you you draw an order block, price goes there, but it's moving in sideways inside of the order block? Would you enter? Definitely no, right? Because it goes against the understanding and the matrix of what an order block should do to price, right? It won't change, the matrix of uh, market concepts in terms of a higher high or higher low, how the market moves, how the market reacts to fair value gap, how the market like to mitigate certain levels, how market reacts to order blocks, how market reacts to key levels. This has been going on for years. Okay, so everything in trading, I'm saying it again, is based on reaction. Okay, reaction. So zone does not mean we can enter. Reaction. Remember this magical word, huh? Can hear now. Awesome. Solana flying high. Yes, Solana flying very, very high. The market was going sideways quite some time. This for ETH, yes. Gold also same, but then now you see gold move very high. Because why? We understand sideways does not mean no momentum. We are collecting power. Yes, I want to enter because it's still quite risky. Yes, yes, yes. Extremely risky just because of the zone if we enter. Please, guys, do not do this. Okay? Only enter your trades if you go to a zone, yes, but also show you the reaction, sorry, that you were anticipating to see. If you're looking for sales, you should see what? Bears. Bears should come in the market, not actual bear. Okay, it's just a term. Bears means people that move price down. Bulls means people that move price up lah. Okay, so you're looking for more sellers in the market. If you're not seeing sellers, see here, we're not seeing sellers. Price keep moving up only. Obviously, bulls are still present. We should not enter. All right. This is just something to share with you guys lah. So I won't give any trading opportunities today for crypto space because I'm not seeing much. ETH went to TP, so I went to TP. I'm very happy really for this week. I hope you guys also enter the trades. If you did, congratulations. If not, so never mind. We learn together. Bear, also cute. Thank you so much for the emoji. Okay, so you guys remember my idea and concept for ADUSD? I don't think it will come down to this level, but I personally am still focusing on buys right now. I'm focusing on buys. I'm waiting for buying opportunity because we are close by this liquidity target zone. So I believe if there's a buying opportunity, there may be potential entry options for me. However, considering today is a Friday, okay, if I do not see an entry opportunity latest by 11 p.m., that is the way how I trade, okay, Malaysia time, I won't be entering the markets. This is just based on backtesting. I understand that every time I trade after 11 or 11:30 p.m. Malaysia time, things doesn't really end up very well for me based on my very old data. Okay, this is why backtesting is very important. It teaches you a lot more than you can think, guys. Okay, so that's for ADUSD. I'm focusing on buys, but only if I see buying opportunity latest by 11, I will enter. And not means next week. Okay, we always have a new trading week. This one really lah, fly lah. They never come down, but at least we understood our bias is to focus on buying opportunities lah. So I'm still happy for this. Like I said, this still may be a potential opportunity. Uh, their price may still come to this level. It will be very scary if it does because it's very high already. But there is a possibility. Definitely, there's a possibility. What I will do is every Sunday I always restructure and analyze the charts. So unless I find a new zone and a new direction of buyers, I will update you guys next week. But just remember for now, AUD beautifully moving up. Very beautiful move, guys. This one. Really, there were quite a few trading opportunities. I was just very focused for price to come inside this level, then only go for buys. If you guys focus on buys already, congrats. This one I don't want to speak about it lah. So pain. It's like I shared yesterday already lah. You all see yesterday live stream and then you all find out. So sad man, this one. So close to our entry man. I had buy limits here, you know. It's okay lah. That's trading. That's trading. I'm still genuinely happy that the price really went more than 1 to 3. This is 1 to 4 now, by the way, guys. 1 to 3 is only here. I shared a lot about this trade yesterday live stream, man. So feel free to watch it. The very second candle already went to 1 to 3. Nevertheless, this shows that our understanding of bias is accurate and correct. So definitely more trading opportunities to look forward to next week, guys. All right. So for now, nothing to do. I got nothing to do. At least the prediction was right. Many more opportunities to come. Yes, thank you so much. That back. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, definitely. So much more opportunities come. If you see now very strong bears coming in the market. Okay? But I won't enter lah if it comes back inside because it already come and test this zone. So I won't enter based on buys for this already. I will restructure this definitely. Definitely I will restructure this zone and find potential new entry opportunities. But I believe for now we can focus on sales. But I see lah. Pre New York is nice. So roughly 8:30 to 9. I will find entry opportunities after this live stream. Last but not least, our NZDJPY has went to our zone and now showing bearish momentum move towards the downside. Personally, okay, I might exit this trade early. Okay, the reason being is because we are on a Friday right now, and I don't want to simply kena the swap fees over the weekend, and then it will catch out a lot with my risk to reward because I have a specific data that I follow by. Okay, I will see how it play out first lah. Okay, but right now currently in profit lah for NZDJPY. So what we predicted was correct lah. It went all the way up inside of this zone. Now we're seeing bearish momentum move towards the downside. So if you guys also was focusing on this with me ever since Monday, you guys can watch Monday's live stream. I shared this on Monday. Congratulations to you as well. Last but not least, guys, let's go simply into gold. See what the gold is doing. Okay. So essentially gold, not nothing much. I cannot see much happening. I'm trying to find if there's any potential zone or not for you guys to potentially focus on. I'm not seeing anything like. Wait, what is this gonna? What is this? 3 6 3 0 5 to 5. 6 to 5. 5 to 5. Okay, this is considered an equal low. Guys, so be aware of this. Okay. Of course, this is not exactly the same level as each other, but they don't have to be. But this is an equal low. Okay, so just be very aware of this. Equal lows are very strong form of magnets. Okay, for liquidity, and you can see powerful bearish momentum now happening. So there's a very high probability of price to actually move down towards these equal lows. So if you guys are focusing on buys, means just keep that in mind. I could be wrong. Definitely I could be wrong because this is eventually trading. Trading is never about that one hit $1 billion making one. It's about compounding effect, right? How you trade in the long run. Not long run means 10 years, guys. Weekly. You can see results weekly if you know how to trade. So definitely I could be wrong, but this is what I'm seeing based on price action now. So if you guys are focusing on buys, just be very aware there are equal lows and price is very close by this level. Another thing to look out for is this is a bullish fair value gap. Okay, fair value gaps, price don't like them, so price usually will tend to fill them up. But remember, I said before, label your fair value gaps. Bullish fair value gap, what is the matrix? Supposed to push price up when they get filled or mitigated. In this sense, price already filled it up. It went up, but not strong enough. We're seeing bears, right? Yeah. So another thing to take note, lah, that I deleted the zone. Another thing to take note that the bullish fair value gap did partial of what it's supposed to do. Actually, consider it did what it's supposed to do. Like push price up, but not strong enough. You're still seeing a lot more bears. So again, if you guys focusing on buys, just be very aware of these equal lows that I highlighted to you guys. I could be wrong, but just be very aware and be careful. Huh? Okay, guys, I think I'll end today's live stream here. I want to give back all the time to you guys, okay, to focus and celebrate another yet successful trading week for every single one of you. I hope you guys enjoyed the live stream this week and learned a lot with me, especially how much I learned also with some of you guys like that actually learn with me. Okay, I appreciate every single one of you. If you guys are interested to learn how I do my predictions, how I understand and read the markets, I do have my own personal 6 week course whereby I take you guys from a total newbie. It doesn't matter if you have no zero understanding in trading, it does not matter. Within 6 weeks time, everything you see I drawing right, okay, you guys will be able to do the same thing. You guys don't have to guess or try to understand what you should focus on in trading. I will give you guys a trading plan. I will give you guys step by step basis. I'll just copy and paste. I will give you guys also a very important thing, which is risk management plan. So this is what will help you guys always, not always, most of the time now, okay, stay profitable. By the end of the week, always is profitable based on the strategy if you follow the step by step strategy. Remember, step by step means almost don't have to think, but you have to gain experience, of course, in the strategy first. And all of that is, I will teach you guys live. None of it is pre-recorded videos or anything. So if you guys are interested, you guys can reach out to me. I do have links in the description below. My goal is to teach maximum only 10 students. After that, I may not teach anymore. It depends. Why 10 students? Yeah, it's just because I'm a little bit spiritual. So I got into meditation, and then the number 10 came out. Eventually, I don't want to teach actually, but then the number 10 came out. I saw 10 students, so I took it as a sign. I taught one already, one student, very grateful. That's the student I met just now, again, for a few final classes. So 9 more to go. So if you guys are interested, I do have links in the description below where you can reach out to me to find out more details about the course. If not, I still appreciate you nevertheless because I love trading. I love sharing it with you guys for as much and as long as I can. I hope you guys enjoy this. So do consider subscribing, guys. Again, like I said, to the channel, we do this Monday to Friday as much as possible. Okay, happy weekend, guys. The weekend belongs to you. You guys work very hard already. Have such an amazing and beautiful, lovely, and wonderful weekend. Also, an amazing and beautiful dinner with your family, loved ones. Okay, whatever, as long as you guys are happy. Okay, I'm happy. Take care, guys. Trade safely. Catch you all in the very next session. Stay safe, traders. Goodbye.